Okay, here's Uncle Matt with Natalie.
Trying to get away?
Okay, show her the gift from Aunt Cindy. Let's see. Alright,
Alright, let's see if we can get it here.
okay. Let's see. She's squirming.
Here we go.
Oh, Natalie, what is that?
Uh-oh.
What is that?
Look at this.
Look! Don't look at me. Let's see. Okay. What is this? What is this? Do you like it? What is that? What is that?
She's looking at it.
Okay.
You want to walk around?
Alright.
You want to walk around?
Okay, now give it to her. Let's see. No, don't come to me.
Here we go.